Hello everyone, welcome back to Media Studies Pro. Today we're diving into a topic that many beginners overlook, but professionals swear by: audio in filmmaking. Think about it, you might sit through a video with slightly blurry visuals, but you'll click away in seconds if the sound is terrible. That's why people say audio is 50% of filmmaking. So what exactly is audio? It's everything you hear: dialogue, sound effects, background music, and even the strategic use of silence. Good audio makes your video feel clear, professional, and truly immersive. The number one mistake beginners make is relying on the camera's built-in microphone. These mics are designed to pick up everything around them: the dialogue, sure, but also the air conditioner, the traffic outside, your own breathing. It just creates a noisy mess. That's why professional filmmakers almost always use external microphones to get clean, focused sound. Let's break down the main types of mics you'll see. First up is the lavalier microphone, often called a lav or a clip-on mic. This tiny microphone clips right onto the speaker's shirt, close to their mouth. It's perfect for interviews, talking head videos, or any educational content where someone is speaking directly to the camera. Because it stays in one place, the voice remains clear and consistent, even if the person moves around a bit. Next, we have the shotgun microphone. These are long, directional mics that capture sound primarily from whatever they're pointed at. You'll often see them mounted on top of a camera or attached to a long pole, called a boom pole, held just out of the shot. Shotgun mics are fantastic for isolating dialogue and cutting down on unwanted background noise, making them a staple in films and documentaries. Now for a quick tech chat: condenser versus dynamic mics. In simple terms, condenser mics are super sensitive and capture a lot of detail. They are ideal for quiet, controlled environments, like a studio. Dynamic mics are more rugged and less sensitive, which makes them great for recording in louder, unpredictable settings, like a live event or a busy street. Another crucial concept is audio levels. If your audio is too low, your audience will strain to hear what's being said. If it's too high, the sound will distort, crackle, and become painful to listen to. This is called peaking or clipping. You always want to aim for a balanced level: not too loud, not too soft. Your goal is for the audio to sound natural and comfortable to the ear. Let's also consider your recording environment. Indoor versus outdoor. Indoors, your biggest enemy is echo or reverb. Rooms with hard, flat surfaces like bare walls and floors can make voices sound hollow and distant. To fix this, you can add soft things to the room like rugs, curtains, or even just some pillows. Getting the microphone closer to the speaker also helps a ton. Outdoors, the challenges are wind and ambient noise. A gust of wind hitting a microphone can create a horrible rumbling sound. That's why you see those fuzzy covers on mics, called dead cats. They act as wind protection. A huge beginner mistake, regardless of the mic, is recording from too far away. The distance between your subject and your microphone is the single most important factor for sound quality. You can have a $1,000 microphone, but if it's 10 feet away from the person speaking, the audio will sound distant and echoey. Always get the mic as close as you possibly can without it being in the shot. You don't need to break the bank to get started. A simple, affordable lavalier mic or a basic shotgun mic will make a massive difference and instantly elevate the quality of your videos. To wrap it all up, remember that audio is not just a technical detail. It's a powerful storytelling tool. Clear, crisp sound builds trust with your audience, conveys emotion, and signals professionalism. If you start paying more attention to your audio, your videos will immediately feel more polished and engaging. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Media Studies Pro for more filmmaking tutorials and media analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.